Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by connecting Apple TV to your television using an HDMI cable rated for 4K and HDMI 2. 1. Plug the power cable into the Apple TV and a wall outlet. Choose the HDMI input on your TV and verify resolution settings on screen. Use an HDMI port labeled ARC or eARC for audio receiver compatibility with Dolby Atmos. If you use Ethernet, connect a Cat6 cable directly for stable bandwidth. Place your Apple TV on a flat surface with 2 inches clearance for ventilation. Power on the Apple TV and follow the on-screen setup wizard step by step. Sign in with your Apple ID to enable purchases, subscriptions, and HomeKit integration. Connect to Wi-Fi on the 5 GHz band for best streaming performance and minimal interference. Keep TV OS updated. Updates improve app compatibility, security, and streaming stability. For 4K streaming, ensure internet speeds reach at least 25 Mbps for consistent quality. Pair the Siri remote by pressing the menu and volume up buttons until a pairing prompt appears. Install apps from the App Store to add streaming services, games, and utilities. Use AirPlay from an iPhone to mirror video, share photos, or stream audio instantly. Open Control Center on iPhone to select the Apple TV and start AirPlay streaming. Troubleshoot black screen by cycling TV input, restarting Apple TV, and checking HDMI connections. Reset or restore via settings when persistent issues continue. Backup account data first. For best 4K playback, prefer wired Ethernet and 25 Mbps or higher per stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.